Hi all! Today I'm gonna tell you about custom hand-forged Damascus steel hunting knife which comes with a wonderful pure leather covering. Let's check it out. Its overall length is of 8 inches. This knife is amazingly designed. The Damascus design is in twist pattern. Look at the handle. The handle's length is of 4 inches. The blade material is Damascus steel and the blade length is 4 inches. It has a nice pattern and is made of 512 layers of stainless steel and high carbon steel with hardness of 55 to 58 HRC. Let's check out the leather covering. It has a wonderful and prismatic leather covering as well, which is very safer. And it looks really decent as well. This robust knife is lab tested under intense conditions. The balance and the shape of this knife ensures perfect grip. This knife has a safety tip as well, which is very safer to use. The leather covering and the safety tip is included in the package. I hope you like it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.